Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix account restricted on Apple Pay, how you can fix this issue. Now step 1 is just open the settings of your iPhone and just search here region, and once you search region, so you will be sent to this section. As you can see, like my current region is United States, but make sure to change your region to any other country. If you are not living in this country, you can change it to your default country. Otherwise choose United States or any other country and try if your account restriction is fixed on the Apple Pay. Now if you're still facing the issue, now just go back to the settings of your iPhone, and once you're into the settings, just open the Apple ID or the iCloud that is added into your account, and just click on the personal information, which is the first option, and make sure that your birthday is like 18 years old or 18 plus. Otherwise just click on it and change it to the 18 plus and choose different month and different year, and make sure that you are added the correct information inside this section. And once you have added the correct date of birth, make sure to click on done, save the information, restart your mobile once, and after that try if your Apple account is fixed or not. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this issue.